Hey guys, welcome back to the mill. First day out here since my knee surgery. Well, I'll take it back. It's not quite the first day. It's actually the second day. The first day I had a friend, and that was 2 weeks ago. I milled for him, and he was my swamper. And I just sat on the chair and had to do it, nothing. But I didn't videotape that one. So I came out here today. I'm all set to go. I got this nice white oak I'm going to make a 6x6 out of. Unfortunately, the mill has an injury, and it's on. I was all warming. It was all warmed up, ready to go. I hooked the battery up backwards, and I know I fried at least my 24 volt inverter, or converter, I should say. It doesn't invert anything. Converter, 12 to 24 volt. It's 20 amp. Yeah, I smoked it. So I have to go buy another one. But I'm doing well. I was hoping to be out here today, and without this power, I can't run this. It's just unfortunate, but I just can't do it. So hopefully nothing downstream of this got beat up. I don't think it did, due to the fact that the my 20 amp fuse isn't blown. I think this is the only thing that went, and I hope that's the case. So yeah, you'll have little setbacks, but I was hoping to take my mind off a few things today and come out here for some sawmill therapy. But it's not going to happen today. But, you know, maybe I'll cut some firewood instead. It's the day after Easter. Yeah, yesterday is Easter, so hopefully everybody had a happy Easter. And it's April Fool's Day, and this isn't an April Fool's joke. Maybe someone's playing a joke on me, but this isn't an April Fool's joke. So guys, I don't have anything for you today. It's just the nature of the YouTube game. Sorry about that. I know I was looking forward to getting a video out. My first one, being back with my knee replacement. My knee's in great shape. Feels good. I have no pains in it at all. I know not all of you followed my vlog about my my knee, but the ones who did, thank you. And the ones who've, you know, you're looking forward to seeing the mill in action. I'm sorry about that, guys, but it's just not going to happen. But I do appreciate you guys staying with my channel and still supporting me. Thank you very much for all of you. And one last thing, if you haven't noticed, in the backyard with Dell, he's at 950 or so. He's almost to 1,000 subscribers. Let's get him to 1,000 subscribers. So if you don't mind, go check his channel out. In the backyard with Dell, he cuts a lot of firewood, and he also rebuilds a lot of lawn tractors and stuff like that. And he's an avid fisherman, so go check his channel out. Neat channel. He's almost to 1,000, so let's see if we can get him there. But I'm gonna go in, find where I got this thing, and go order another one and see if I can get it here in the next few days. And maybe I can get out here this week. Well, probably not this week, because I just looked at the long range forecast for the next 5 days, 4 days. They're talking rain, and not just little rain, lots of gully washers. So we'll see if that comes true. These weathermen around here, they haven't hit a thing yet right this year. So I suspect I'll probably be sunny and out here tomorrow if this shows up. All right, guys, take care. I'll see you at the mill next time.